Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make mint chutney. Pudina Thogayal is a perfect combo for the dosa, idli. Welcome to my channel. Food is a God gift. Please click that subscribe button. Is a good for allergy, help for digestion, help for respiratory problem and anti-inflammation. Friends, having fresh mint in your diet, high benefit for your health. See what you need. Today I have about 2 cups of fresh mint, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 tablespoon of Urid Dal, few garlic, little bit tamarind, and oil for saute. And I have a tamarind. It's a mustard seed, Urid Dal, and dry chili, a pinch of Asafetida. In the deep pan, I add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Once oil is hot, I'm adding the dry chili, tamarind, and 1 green chili, and 2 garlics, and Urid Dal. And I let it saute about 1 minute. Once the Urid Dal turns to the golden brown, I'm going to add a little bit coconut. It's optional. Chop onion and let it saute about 1 minute. Now we can add the salt, about 1 teaspoon, and I'm saute. Now I'm adding the chopped tomato and I'm going to saute another 1 minute. Once the onion and tomato soft, now we can add the mint leaf and turn off the stove and mix all that together and let it cool for 5 minutes. Friends, we no need to overcook the fresh mint, so when we blend, the green mint will stay in green color. Now after cool, I'm adding the about half cup of water. I'm going to blend this chutney. Now it's ready, guys. Now I'm just tempering the mustard seed Urid Dal and pour it on the chutney. It's so delicious, simple, and it's quick and easy for everybody, and moreover is healthy, have huge amount of benefit for our health. Guys, please try this recipe. It's delicious. It's perfect for dosa, idli, chapati, for the rice, and for many dishes you can add it on. Please click that subscribe button and please leave a comment before you leave. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.